All right, so I'm back. It's been 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes, this is what the rice and peas look like cooked. Um, Now I've removed all of the stems from the thyme just because I don't want, people to pick out the time when they're eating it. I want them to enjoy the rice and peas. Not only that, for, kids' safety, don't want the kids choking on the stem. So I'm now tasted it. So it's nice. This here you have it, authentic Jamaican rice and peas. So I cooked the peas for 45 minutes, boiled them in garlic and pimento seeds. Then I checked it, came back, cooked the peas for another 45 minutes. After I did that, I added in the coconut milk, the seasoning salt, garlic salt, all-purpose seasoning. Now I let that cook for 45 minutes. After I did that, that was the second set of 45 minutes of cooking the beans. After that, I added in the rice, and then I added in about 2 cups more of water, and then I let it continue to boil and simmer for 30 minutes, and then this is how it came out. So here you have it, authentic Jamaican rice and peas Sunday dinner.